Vote for Next Gen for Rhode Island's high school students is offering an unprecedented opportunity to have them learn about the 6 key trades involved in boat manufacturing. Not only are they learning the hands-on nature of each trade, but they're also learning key skills in the STEM areas of science, technology, engineering, and math. We're hopeful that this program will promote several of these students entering these careers post-high school.
Good morning. Today we're at Wesley. I learned about electricity. My favorite trade in this program was burning. My favorite one was grinding. I really like this program. Very fun, very interesting. I like the teachers. The teachers really taught me a lot. It was an amazing experience. The program was really great. I'm looking forward to being at EB after high school.
I can say the experience here is really fun. For the first time, me actually welding, and a little iffy, but hopefully when I get the second time, I can do it better than that.
I think the kids did an outstanding job. I did the grinding. Steve did the cutting with the torch. The students were well engaged. They were excited about what they did. They did a great job, fantastic job.
When I had these students burning, they were fantastic. They were quick learners. They cut with precision. And I think that if they ever come to EB, they're going to make great ship fitters. They are into it, really into it.
Outstanding.
Yes.
At Electric Boat, we're willing to train you with zero experience. So we're gonna teach these young kids exactly how to build these submarines, give them the opportunities, give them the knowledge so they can be good at what they do. We're gonna build them up from the ground up, make them quality first-class mechanics.
It was good. I feel at the first time it was very, I was really nervous. I thought I was gonna mess something up, but after I was shown by Paul, I feel much more confident in it, and I think I could see myself doing it as a career.
So if this is the end of our cup, this is our wire coming out, right? And this is our plate. Our shielding gas comes out and it protects our weld. So when that wire hits the plate, it arcs and then it's liquid at that point, right? So it's a hot liquid. And this, the whole time you're pulling that trigger, it's adding that wire in. So it adds and that puddle gets bigger and bigger and bigger.